Welcome to this Tech for Everyone channel, and this is to just talk about something that is happening today. It is the second Tuesday of the month of October, and the second Tuesday of the month is security updates. So this is going to be interesting to see what is more precisely in there, but basically it has a lot of security fixes for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. So apply these security updates. They are very diverse, including security updates about Windows Shell, the Internet Explorer browser, Microsoft Edge browser, the Windows App Platform and frameworks, the Windows cryptography, Windows authentication, Windows Data Center, networking, Windows storage and file system, Windows kernel, Microsoft scripting engine, and Windows Server. So some critical and important security flaws in there for these versions of Windows. So remember, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10 are all affected by this these security flaws that are fixed. That's why it's very important to update your system in order to stay safe on the internet. It's one of the biggest things to do. Way before you get an antivirus or think about antivirus, well, security updates like these are the number one update that you should actually have. So it's very important to check it out and make sure that you apply these on your computer. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.